day. I thought I'd show you this. This is something I've carried backpacking, and it's really nice. It's a pocket chainsaw, and it comes with 2 handles with strings and hooks, and then this chainsaw blade that is very much like a real chainsaw blade. And I just got done cutting down, well, not cutting down, but cutting up a tree with it, and it works great. This was a downed log, and I cut through this, and this is 4 or 5 inches, and it only took me maybe 2 minutes. And now I'm cutting up the individual logs, but this doesn't take up any room, and it is extremely efficient. I'll show you how it works. You just put the blade underneath and hold it so it doesn't come up, and just saw through it. And that's it. It takes a lot of work to get through a big one like this. This took me a while, and my arms didn't work when I was done, but this is it's a pretty nice saw. I've used this for years. I don't know how old this is. This has got to be 15 or 20 years old, so I'm assuming you can still buy them. But it's a nice thing. I gotta go back and get the rest of this. So maybe I'll show you working that for this. These guys are just trying to steal my firewood. Rats. Ugh.